Hi guys, so we're going to be doing the Steam the Brainrot early bet, so let's get into it. So we have a couple of seconds here till it starts. So yeah, hopefully we get something good. Sorry guys, that's just my cat meowing. Sorry about that guys. Well, basically it is finally early bet, so we are gonna do a fast spin. I just got money. And go. Anyways, I wonder if we are gonna get anything good. So we are waiting for Sammy right now. Hopefully this guy doesn't take for ages to come and do the early bird, but yeah, we got some invites that legend expert spawning in from Mythic, so I'm just gonna jump over the brainrots. Bro, if this guy forgets again, bro, like how many times does he forget every Saturday, dude? For real. I mean, like, guys, he literally forgets, like, every single time. I don't know why. But, like, bro, why does he take so long? Like, he always forgets. Can do a bit of shuffle up, too. I'm just gonna wait. Just, you know. I'm just gonna wait. I just fell out. And, yeah. We will just wait until he comes to do the early bird. Oh yeah, he's here. Oh, here's a quick look. Early bird. Yes, sir. Okay, so we got the early bird. Alright guys, well, see y'all. See y'all when we get to open this. Look. And after that, I'll see you guys.